So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here I'm going to tell you as a startup founder how you can approach the influencers writing the cold email. So here is the prompt that I have written. Just you can see here, even if you want this prompt, just you can pause and then write it into your phone. So without wasting your time, we will get started with the video. So here I have written, I want you means ChatGPT as a startup founder and come up with cold email. You want to ask 50 AI influencers on Twitter, or you can take any of the thing that you wanted, either Twitter, Insta, so any of the things. Twitter to try out our website and gather their feedbacks. Write a short cold message to those influencers. Okay, so the message should be pervasive, sincere, clear, and less than 300 words. Do not generate the email for now. I will provide the description of our website in next prompt. So ChatGPT told that sure, I will write it for you. So here is the description that I provided to the ChatGPT. Here is the short description of the flowgpt.in .com, where you can write many of the prompts there. So this is the description I gave, and the ChatGPT gave us an amazing reply with the output. So the ChatGPT also created the subject, then dear influencer name, and I hope you find this email helpful. My name is dash dash and I'm the founder of flowgpt. Just see guys, you can write here your startup name, and just you can give the description of your starters. And let's say if you want to promote your product with the help of influencers, you can ask ChatGPT to create the cold email strategy for you, to write it for influencers. So in this way you can read out, and just I told that please include a URL, that is flowgpt.com, in the email. Also we don't charge for any usage, so please remove the discount part also, I told. Then ChatGPT replied with an amazing reply, just you can see here. So yeah, that is it. This was the prompt where you can use ChatGPT to write cold email. And our website, that is aiconvo.in, where I have created a course on how to use ChatGPT, and you can create money using ChatGPT in 101 different ways. So just you can visit our website, that is aiconvo.in, and you can go through the overview section, and then you can come up to the curriculum section. Just you can see in how many different professions I've used the ChatGPT. As you can see here, the ChatGPT as an advertiser, then UX developer, then life coach. Each and every prompt I have given in the course. So if you use the code Elon20, you will get rupees 400 off, that is you will get course for 1499. So please do check out, and I will meet you into the next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye.